Hello and welcome to Pabbly Connect. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your connection between your applications and Pabbly Connect inside your Pabbly Connect workflows. So a lot of users are asking us how you can update the connection. Like you may have a single connection in your multiple workflows, and just in case the API key of your application or the connection between your application and Pabbly Connect gets updated, you have to manually update all of those connections in each and every workflow. But guys, you don't have to do this. You just have to update your existing connection in one of your workflow or into the settings section of your Pabbly Connect account. And the same connection will be updated for each and every workflow using that same connection. So let me show you. So here I have a workflow named as demo workflow. And here in this workflow, we have Google Sheet in Trigger, then we are using Filter, and then we are using Twilio. And we are using the same connection of Twilio, which I'm using in this workflow, which is named as my Twilio connection in other two workflows as well. Let me show you. So this is the workflow, another workflow. This is the same connection we are using for Twilio. And this is the third workflow where we are using the same connection. Now guys, what we are going to do, suppose the credentials or the details of my Twilio connection gets updated. Now I have to update this connection over here as well. So what we are going to do in this connection video, either you can update the connection from here or you can go to the settings option of Pabbly Connect account and update it from there. So let's update it from here first. So this is my connection which I have selected. Now what you have to do, just click on this three dot, click on update connection button. If you just want to change and update the name, here you can do that and click on update. And if you want to update the credential details, just select update connection data, then enter the details of the updated connection. Like I have the details of my latest Twilio account, just copy this SID from here, account SID, and let's paste it over here as well. After this, let's copy the authorization token as well, and in Pabbly Connect in this updated connection, paste it as well. And after this, I also want to update the name. So I will be entering the name as updated. So my Twilio connection updated. This is the updated name. Click on update. And now here we will see that the connection is been updated with the updated name, with the new name. Now after this, let's click on save. And here in this workflow, we have updated the connection. But because we were using the same connection in our other two workflows as well, we will see that when we are going to again search for this connection, here you will see that the connection in those workflows are also updated automatically. So this is my Twilio connection updated. And in our third workflow as well, you will see here we have the updated connection. So in this way, just by updating your connection in one of your workflow, if you are using the same connection in your multiple workflows, in each and every workflow, the connection will get updated. Now here in this way, you can update the connection from your workflow. But if you want to update the connection from your settings, just go to the settings section of Pabbly Connect account, go to connections option. And then here you can see a list of all the connections which you have in your Pabbly Connect account. And by using this filter option, you can actually filter out the connection on the basis of a particular connection name or on the basis of an application. So here guys, in all applications, let's search for Twilio. All the connection which we have on Twilio, we can see a list of all of those connections over here because we have added a filter for it. And this was the connection guys, my Twilio connection updated. Here you can see 3 workflows are using the same connection and we have updated the same connection, and in other 2 workflows as well, the connection is being updated. So in this way, just by updating the connection, you can apply those same changes in all of your workflows for the connection of your application and Pabbly Connect. So this is it for today's video guys. Thank you. Have a great day.